In today's video, I will walk you through how to customize your Deribit layout. To get started, log into your account and navigate to any main trading interface, such as Options, Futures, or Spot. Once you're on the trading screen, look at the top right of the header menu and click the Settings or cog icon. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Layout. After you do that, the interface will switch into a grid-based editing mode where you can move, resize, add, or remove different modules from your workspace. While you're in layout editing mode, you can choose which components you want to keep visible. If there's a module you don't need, locate the small X or delete icon in the top right corner of that window pane and click it. You can remove items such as the order book, charts, position tracker, order form, or any other visible module the same way. If you want to add a module back or include another one in your layout, look for the Master Layout menu, which is usually displayed at the top or along the side of the screen while editing. Find the module you want to display, such as the order form module or the advanced Greeks tracker. Then click Add. The selected module will be placed onto your workspace so you can position it where you want. Next, arrange your dashboard by dragging modules into new positions. Click and hold the title bar of any module, then drag it to another location on the screen. As you move it, the grid layout will automatically adjust the surrounding panels to make space. You can also resize each panel to better fit your workspace. Move your cursor over the edge or corner of a module until it changes into a resizing arrow. Then click and drag to make the panel larger or smaller, either horizontally or vertically, depending on how you want it to appear. After you've finished organizing your modules, you can make a few quick interface adjustments outside of layout editing mode. To change the theme, click the sun or moon icon in the top right corner to switch between light mode and dark mode. If you're using a laptop or a smaller display, open the General Settings menu and look for the Compact Mode option. Toggle the text padding setting to allow more data rows to fit on a single screen. Once you've finished arranging everything the way you want, click Save Layout or exit Layout Editing Mode to lock your workspace configuration into place. Your customized layout will then be saved with the changes you've made. Thank you for watching.